Hi everyone! I ordered a ThreadUp rescue box while I was on vacation. It came really quick. It came while I was still on vacation, so that was a good thing. I spent $38 on 10 mixed items. I have no idea what's in the box. I'm really excited to see what I got. Could be good, could be bad. You guys are going to experience this with me. My name is Karen with Thrifty Flamingo. Me and my husband talk a lot about reselling and Poshmark, so if you're interested in this content, we would really appreciate if you subscribe to our channel. This box has been haunting me for the past day and a half. I'm like, I want to open it, So as I open it, if you're new to this channel, you might not know, I send a lot of clothes into ThreadUp, at least twice a year. So this was $38, 10 items, but I didn't pay $38. I had a balance. It wasn't a huge balance. It ended up being like free shipping and about $31 and change. But yeah, I kind of go through my clothes at least twice a year and you know what's not selling and not moving no matter what I do to it, and I send it into ThreadUp and I get credit and I get better clothes to sell, so I had a little balance. So let's see what's in the box. Boom! Ooh, polka dots everywhere. Stealing deal since 2009. Yeah, okay. Kind of heavy too. This is also good because I want to kind of see what they reject, you know. This is a Massimo sweater, so it's Target. Sweater weather. They said that some of this stuff could have minor flaws, you know, minor pulling or holes. I think they just didn't want this because it was a Target brand, Massimo, but it's a nice comfy sweater. Dun, dun, dun. This is new with tags. Wow, okay. Calvin Klein. Oh, it's a dress. Let me stand up for this one. Cut my head off. Wow. It's a Calvin Klein dress. New with tags. That's a good one. Wasn't expecting that. Some jeans. I love jeans. Aha. Bandolino. Size 10 Karen boyfriend fit. I've never sold this brand before. Bandolino. Got interesting back pockets. I don't see any stains. I mean, it's distressing. But that's what they meant to do, I'm pretty sure. Oh yeah, no, it's definitely meant to be there. All right, what's next? Dun, dun, dun. Should I go left or right? Or right or left? No clue what this is. No idea what that is. Looks like geometric print. I think this might be a dress. Yeah, it's a dress or a tunic. No, it's a dress. It's very interesting print. Sorry if I keep standing up and my head's getting chopped off. I wasn't thinking about dresses. But yeah. Does anyone know what that is? Hope you guys can see it. I don't know what that is. Ooh, I shall fold you nice. Nicey, nicey. Kinda. All right, next. Banana Republic. This is Banana Republic, the outlet store, the factory store. Oh, it's in season, so that's okay. Could definitely sell this. It's kind of cute. Grunge is back, you know? That's what I hear anyway. I don't think grunge was in when I thought it was in. Ooh. A tank top. I don't know this brand. It's like 90. It's very shimmery tank top though. Very pretty. I don't see any stains or anything. Yeah, is it 90? Yep, 90. That's the brand. Hope I'm wearing stuff like that when I'm 90. Bra? I don't know. It's no name. It's a bathing suit or a bra. No, it's a bathing suit. Has like the drying liner inside. Be nice if they gave me the bottoms. Don't know what I'm gonna be doing with that. I don't know if I can do anything with that. It's like a no-name bikini top. Size large. More sweaters. Sweater vest. New with tags. It's Loft. I think that's what it says on the tag. Don't see any other tags. Oh yeah, here it is. Weird. No, it's not. It's the paper store. It's kind of comfortable. Yeah. Let the pregnant lady put it on. Oh, that's interesting. That's going to be tough to photograph. I'm going to leave it on for you guys. Van Heusen. Ooh, weird. Stretch capris. Bermuda shorts. These might be the kind of pants that you could get away wearing to like the office. Van Heusen. This is like the same material though. Nope. So we got winter stuff, fall stuff. We definitely have summer stuff. I guess they don't discriminate. And Taylor Petite. 10p. Sends a lot of skirts. It's like the tiniest little mark on it. I know you guys can't see that. It's like so faint. I could probably get it right out. And Taylor. I think I have 2 more things. Apostrophe. More skirts. Pencil skirts. More size 10. Already. Apostrophe. Why does that sound familiar? Well, this is a pretty print. Oh, dress. Dress, dress, dress. Look at something. Pretty dress, pretty dress. Find what I'm looking for. It's a really pretty dress. Flowers, mustard. It is Loeil. L-O-E-I-L. However you would say that. So, spent $30, $31 on this. They have different boxes. I just chose the first one. I think that's goodbye. They have ones that have a lot more items in them. They have ones that are shoes, just jeans, like kind of like very narrowed down. As you see, I got a mixed box. I got dresses, I got skirts, 1 pair of jeans, you know, tank tops, a bikini top. So I definitely can make my money back. I'm very happy I got to open this finally. I'm not sad I did that. I've had a little balance in ThreadUp for a while. So now we kind of know what not to send into ThreadUp though. Kinda. Right? Yeah, it's gonna be thinking about what I'm sending into ThreadUp and what they're not accepting. Because that's also where this reject box comes from. You know, that not just stains, but what they're not taking. So I hope you guys like this crazy box full of polka dots. Yeah. I'm very happy I got to share it with you. If you enjoyed this quick video, give it a thumbs up. That takes the vest off. It's making me hot. If you enjoy content like this, I would also appreciate if you subscribe to my channel. And other than that, take care, guys.